today is Vlogmas Day number 7.
Happy Pearl Harbor Remembrance Day.
James is about to drive me crazy. I'm about to kick him out of the apartment. Just kidding, I'm not really. So today we are cleaning the apartment because somebody thinks that he needs to have friends over. And now we have to clean because people are coming over. And if you know me at all, you know I really don't like people in my space, so we rarely have people over. Like when we hang out with people, we hang out with people outside of the apartment because I just don't like people in my space. Anyway, we have to clean the apartment. We're gonna move the couch, vacuum underneath the couch, do all of that. And we also have to go to Target and buy snacks and just, someone thinks he needs to party.
Party never dies.
That is beautiful. Dixie, are you making sure he gets the job done? Yeah? You guys, I'm trying to clean and I look over at this. What are you supposed to be? A robot?
I'm a robot.
Dixie's not having it. Dixie does not like you wearing that. She's terrified. It's just me. She doesn't know what to do. And James wondered why I wanted to move the couch. What is this? It's real life, but ugh. So I'm really glad that we are moving stuff. We actually moved all of these, oops, zoomed in, moved all these, we put them back, and now we are moving the second part of it, and then we're actually gonna move this over. So rearranging, fun stuff. But yeah, that's why I wanted to move the couch, because I was sure there was something under there. Update, you guys, I moved all the pictures that were just chilling in this hallway, and for right now I put them over there, and then like the big ones over here. Also, are you proud of me? I picked up all of the paper scraps from Black Friday. So yeah, so now I'm gonna vacuum this hallway. I'm hoping at some point we can like hang pictures on the wall, but we just haven't gotten to it, so they're gonna be over there for now. Anyway, I'm gonna vacuum. We have moved the TV over. That way our Christmas tree can go right there. And we vacuumed behind the couches. So the living room is looking pretty good. The kitchen and dining room, not so much. And we have about 4 hours. So we have to finish cleaning, and we also have to go to the store. So hopefully we can get all this done. Wish us luck. Okay guys, cleaning update. You guys saw us kind of tidying this. We got it all done. It looks so good, other than the couch not connecting, but I just wish this room was a little bit bigger and the door was not like in the middle here. I wish it was like off to the side or something, but what can you do? We're planning on getting a new couch sometime soon that's smaller but also not a super dark couch. Like this is a really dark, it almost looks black on camera. It's like a dark navy. Isn't that what you would call the couch, dark navy? It's not really black.
It's like a royal blue kind
like a royal blue,
a dark royal blue.
But it's like super, super dark. It comes off black. We knew it wasn't gonna fit in here when we moved, but I didn't realize it was gonna annoy me that much. So.
Doesn't bother me at all, I like it.
I just think it looks really tacky. I don't know. Leave in the comments below if you guys think the couch situation looks really tacky. I think it'd be better if we talked about putting something like right there to cover that area, so we'll see. But also it's just kind of falling apart. It's getting old. So our bedroom, which was clean, has a bunch of random stuff, so we've got to take care of that. Basically, we're done with the bathroom. We have to scrub a few things. I organized the movies because they were getting a little out of hand. James is taking out the garbage. We have this table here for snacks for the party, so we're gonna set that up. That area looks so much better. I'm sure you guys have seen it before, but it was like the male mountain, but we took care of it. Well, James actually did. I think I showed you guys that earlier though. And then we have the kitchen, which minus that rag is pretty much clean and done and ready. So anyway, it is, what time is it? It's almost 2 o'clock. We have to run to Target to get a couple things, snack wise, but also just like toothpaste, random stuff that we need. I don't think we're gonna do a whole grocery shop because I don't really know that we have time. So like I said, it's 2 and the party starts in 3 hours. So we still have to go, and then we have to finish a couple things here. So yeah, that's what's going on. But I'm super impressed with the way the apartment is looking. Okay guys, we made it back from Target, and I want to show you guys a little snack bar setup. Where did the drinks go?
Put them in the fridge.
Oh, well, great. James ruined my little thing here, but whatever, it's fine. Okay, so imagine there's some soda right here. Then we have the cups, paper towels, Oreos, Chips Ahoy, some silverware, and some plates. We're gonna order pizza. So most people, I think, eat pizza with their hands, but some people want to eat it with forks. So we got some silverware just in case. Keep your judgments to yourself. It looks kind of sad compared to last year's snack bar, but James was all like, I don't want to get chips. Chips are too hard to eat when you're trying to play video games.
We even ate them last year, if you remember correctly.
Yeah, but I just feel like we should have them. Anyway, I think that this is gonna be it for vlogging right now until after the party's over, because I don't like to vlog other people. I don't know if they want to be online or not, and I don't want to shove a camera in their face, but also like it's just a video game party. Like I'm not even gonna be around for it. So anyway, but I will check in with you guys later tonight when that is over. A million hours later, but the party is over.
The party's never over.
No, the party is over, thank goodness. It lasted forever. It lasted from 5 to 10. And the only reason it ended at 10 was because our apartment has quiet hours now, and I wanted to be a good neighbor. Like a good neighbor, Rachel is there.
Nice.
Anyway, but we are gonna wrap up this vlog. If you're new around here, make sure you click that subscribe button, and don't forget to click the bell notification. That way you're notified right when I upload. And if you enjoyed this video or any of my other videos, give it a thumbs up, let me know. And I'm gonna go to bed now. He's gonna go to bed now. We're going to bed. So we'll see you guys in tomorrow's vlog.
Peace.
Say goodnight, Dixie.
Wow.
Rock